Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Odyssey on piano. We'll start by exploring the foundational piano skills necessary for tackling video game music. You'll learn about reading sheet music, understanding basic chords, and developing finger dexterity. Then, we'll dive into specific techniques to bring those iconic Super Mario Odyssey melodies to life on your keyboard. Get ready to transform your piano into a portal to the Mushroom Kingdom. Many Super Mario Odyssey songs are perfect for piano, especially the upbeat Jump Up, Superstar, and the game's main theme. We'll break down these pieces, focusing on the main melodic themes played by your right hand and the accompanying chords for your left. Pay close attention to the key signatures, often in C major or G major, and practice slowly at first. Aim for a consistent tempo of around 100 beats per minute for Jump Up, Superstar, to capture its energetic feel. Adapting Super Mario Odyssey's rich orchestral scores for solo piano requires some clever arranging. You'll learn to identify the core melody and bass line, simplifying more complex sections to fit two hands. For instance, a full string section might become a simple arpeggio. Experiment with different chord voicings to add depth, perhaps using a root position chord in the left hand and an inversion in the right. The sustain pedal can also be your best friend, connecting phrases and adding resonance to your performance. Consistent practice is key to mastering these fun tunes. Start by breaking down challenging sections into small, manageable phrases, perhaps just 2 or 4 measures at a time. Practice each hand separately until it feels comfortable, then slowly combine them. Recording yourself playing can provide valuable insight, helping you pinpoint areas needing more attention. Remember, the goal is to have fun while playing, so don't be afraid to perform for friends or family and share your musical journey.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.